This workout here is called plyo progression. All right, so this first drill is called skipping for height. If you notice in the drill, in the video, that my knee is really driving high, get it up, higher. We want to get that to about a 90-degree angle. And then also focus on my feet. My feet should be flat, dorsiflex. So when I hit the ground, it's not collapsing. If we land on our toes, what's going to end up happening? We're going to get a lot of pressure in our shins and our knees, which can cause shin splints, and that's what I don't want to happen. All right, so this next drill is called skip for distance. What I need you to do is really thrust that hip forward and get that knee up. I need that knee to be 90 degrees. And again, keep the feet dorsiflex and pull. Use that glute and that hamstring to pull you forward, okay? And that's gonna be the key to keeping you in the right position while you're doing this drill. All right, so this next drill is double leg forward. Notice how high my knees are coming. You really wanna tighten the core because you don't want your core to be all loosey-goosey, all right? You need to get it up, get the knees up, and land flat-footed. Again, we don't wanna land on our toes because that's gonna put a lot of pressure on our shins and our knees. So keep the feet dorsiflex, land flat, and fire off the ground. Okay, so this next drill is double leg backwards hops. Okay, so what you really want to do is focus on taking small hops. It's not a big deal to take big hops. Again, the main focus is landing flat and keeping your feet dorsiflexed. You can drive the knees if you're really going for height, but I would say take small hops in the beginning because this is a beginner video. Damn it! All right, for you beginners, now we're gonna do single leg hop forward. So it looks like I'm starting with the right foot there. Again, we wanna land flat-footed and just step over the other foot. So if your other foot's here, we just wanna step over the other foot and keep landing flat-footed. Now, when doing these single leg hops forward, make sure you alternate. You always wanna balance out both sides because both sides keep you healthy. All right, so this next drill is called alternate leg bounding. What we wanna do is really drive the knee up, keep the core tight, and keep the feet dorsiflex. We need to make sure we fire every time our foot hits the ground. That's key. We don't want to land and crush ourselves on every step because that's losing momentum and that's putting a lot of forces and pressure again on your knees and shins. So be active on the ground. It's very hard to do, but if you keep working on it, you'll get it. Let's go! So this next drill is the gallop drill. What you want to do is whatever foot is in front of you to pull with that foot, okay? We really want to fire the glute and the hamstring to pull ourselves forward. And again, we want to definitely do both sides. Keep the feet dorsiflex and drive the arms. That's going to help to propel you forward and keep you moving. And so that's the gallop drill, and that's good technique. So with plyo progression, you want to try to do this whole routine 2 to 3 times, depending on your fitness level. Again, this is not something that is the end-all be-all to make you jump higher or jump farther. This is just something that's going to add to all of that. So good luck and jump high.